live about a okay. For this is a memorial for baby boy. Okay. For the baby there's near my house
Sidewalk.
so on near my house on sidewalk. I found a baby bird died. Don't have me want to do a more this. For time anyone do a more for a bird, baby bird. For then do when I do a 10 minutes sign That's it, yeah, sorry, that's it, yeah, I think that's it, but yeah, the board, though I read do some, they're like kind of like more or a more about it, for them, I don't know about that big board, a lot of boards would say, sad what happened, the board in his, bog, yeah, that's why the big board and the big box, for then we don't know what we go put in to for then this for then the board like animal take care of it. Some people have balls for pets. Any pets, wherever, if you find any animal died on sidewalk, on road, for then deep down do some to add boards like people have feelings, have whatever. Beside the baby board, find near my house on sidewalk, yeah, for then figure out what I mean, but what you want for the, yeah, we go do some, yeah, ready to get, farm up, subscribe my YouTube channel, and for this, take care of oils, bars, everything. Yeah, okay, see ya. But, hello everybody. I need to tell my mom, we're going sidewalk. My mom almost stepped on dead board. Make a dead board, me gonna show you that dead board. You see that, see that dead boy, yeah, she almost stepped on dead board. Not really. Man, game, follow up, come on my YouTube channel.